What's your name?
My name is King.
King. Right. Nice to see you, King. Are you okay?
Yes.
Okay, let's start our exam. So first, I'm gonna play a video for you, and you have to listen and repeat. Okay? Are you ready?
Yes.
Let's take a look.
Fiona smiles and says, "Welcome to the Lionhead Kingdom."
Okay. Can you repeat that?
Yes.
Okay.
My Fiona smiling and say, "Welcome to the Lionhead Kingdom."
Amazing. One more. Okay.
I say, "Wow, everything here is made from paper and boxes."
I say, "Well, everything here is
Made.
made from paper and
Yeah, boxes.
boxes."
Okay, and just one more, okay?
Fiona says, "Yes, we make lion heads for the new year."
Fiona says, "Yes, we make lion head for the new year."
Yeah. Lion heads.
Lion heads.
Very good. Okay, now some flashcards. So let's take a look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Where is the glue?
Here.
Very nice. Where is the lion dance head? Yeah, okay. And here too. Okay. Where is a cardboard box?
Here.
Yes. Where is paper and scissors?
Here.
Good job. Where are paints?
Here.
Yes, very nice. What are paints? Okay. So very good. Now let me ask you. Okay, what's this?
This cardboard
Box.
box.
Yes. Yeah, it's a box. Very good. What's this?
This blue.
Yes. What's this?
This lion head.
Good. Amazing. So now, let's go to the whiteboard. Can you stand up, please? And let's go to the whiteboard. So, over here. Can you read?
Blue. Lion head.
Yeah, dance.
That's
Yes.
cardboard.
Yes. Okay. Next.
Red.
Mhm.
Orange. Watercolor.
Okay, so for now, take this and put, where do they belong? That's right. It's okay. Now, a cardboard box. Where does it go? Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. Yes. Can you stick it? Yes. Yes. Okay. Take one more. Okay. Wait. Yes. Okay. Here you go. Good for you. Yeah. How about that? Yes. Watercolors.
Red.
Red. Amazing. And orange. Where does orange go? Here. Okay. High five. Yes. How do we start? What goes here? What goes here? Yes. Okay. Read. Okay. I decorate.
I decorate my lion head.
Very nice. Can you read together now?
I decorate my lion head.
Very good. Next. Can you do the next one?
I cut
Yeah. Scissors.
Scissors.
Yes. Okay, next one. Yes.
I perform lion head.
Dance. Careful. A lion dance.
Lion dance
Mhm.
with my friends.
Fantastic. And the last one.
I
Stick. Mhm.
stick
Mhm.
with
Uh-oh. Glue, you see? There's a period. So it goes at the end. This one goes at the end. Mhm.
glue.
Okay, this one again. But you have to change this. Mhm. Yes. Okay, can you read?
I stick
Yep.
at it with glue.
Okay. Come back. Need. What do you need to make a lion head? A lion head.
First, I cut a close.
Yeah, first, wait. Tell me what you need. What do you need?
And this is the
Scissors. Okay, do you need a box?
box.
Yes, okay.
Paper.
Do you need paints? Water paints?
Yes.
Yes, okay. Now, how? Okay, now, how do you make a lion dance head? How do you make it?
I cut a close finger.
Good. Yes.
I stick with glue.
Yeah, okay.
Then I paint with watercolor.
Yes, you paint it with watercolors.
Finally,
Okay, finally you make a lion dance head, right? Finally you make it ready. Okay, and then you can perform a lion dance with your friends, right?
yes.
Okay, that's so much fun. You did excellent. You know a lot. Fantastic. Give me 5. Good job. Thank you. See you later.